What's going on, guys? Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club CTG. We're back in this beat. Today I'm bringing you a review of the Nike Mecon 6 followed by a workout in them. Nice simple shoe review plus how they look on foot and how they do performance wise. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright guys, so first things first, this shoe is incredibly light. Next thing, it's incredibly sturdy. Third thing, it's incredibly stylish. You know those things matter, guys. That style, the comfort, and the performance on these bad boys. We're gonna be going over all of that today, plus a workout. So if you guys are here for the workout portion, just stick with me for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna dive straight into a workout, which you guys can try at home. Right off the bat, guys, the front of this shoe is this nice meshy material, super breathable. Compared to the Nike Mecon 5, which is at the moment my favorite shoe so far, it does have a similar feel to it, except this is a little bit lighter. They did take out some of the padding and it's more meshy and almost see-through. Like I can see the shoe through the toe box here, which is nice. It's flexible, it's breathable, and just makes the shoe a lot lighter. So that material goes along the whole front toe box. As you get to the tippy top of the toe box, it's not as see-through mesh. It's a lot more reinforced with like this coated plastic, and then on the inside of it, it's like this reinforced like fabric that's really good. It makes the toe box shape and it's all sturdy. It's not going to feel like a Nike free run type of shoe, like those super meshy socky shoes. It's actually reinforced up there. The only see-through meshy part is like right at the top portion of the toe box going to like the sock area. Making our way around this side of the shoe, we have that reinforced plastic leading all the way up to the side right here, where this is just straight like rubber plastic. Nice gray tone there that goes all the way to the back. Once you get to the mid portion of the shoe, it is a little bit more of a rubbery material there. You got this stitching there for style, looks cool. And then toward the back, it's more of like this just regular foam padded rubber material that you normally find in shoes. Making our way back to the front, you have that Nike swoosh. Honestly, like this looks pretty cool, but I would have liked it if it was a little bit more minimal. Kind of just pops, which I like, but then also sometimes I just want that cleaner, crisp look. Don't get me wrong, these are a very, very clean pair of shoes. Going all the way up that little portion there, it's just white, reinforced like white mesh material. The eyelid sockets are this like reinforced rubbery, pretty durable feeling material. The eye sockets themselves have like this like almost like a basketball net looking deal here. Nice little touch there. It keeps the laces nice and tight and tucked in there. Moving on to the back of the shoe, the back upper, it's that rubber foam like clothy reinforced material to keep that heel nice and tight. Moving down toward the sole of the shoe, it's that same style of sole as the Metcon 5, Metcon 4s ish, except I think they got a little bit bigger on like the 5s and up, and that's for mainly row climbs and just durability, I guess is what they said. I mean, it's a great idea and I think it works well because you can tell that it has grip there. It's just meant to make your shoe last a little bit longer and not get that worn out, but it's a gum bottom finish here with like a gray, dirty gray on the bottom. Moving toward the back heel, you have that gray gum gray bottom there, and then the lower half of the heel, you have that gray, shiny gray piece of plastic that's actually pretty rugged and heavy duty. It feels like it's just thick. Moving on to the back of the shoe, you have, I think that's the Metcon symbol. I'm not even sure what that is, but it's like 3D coming out and it's a nice leather material. The heel, nice and short, sleek heel that we're used to on the Metcons. It is that rubbery padded feel. Super comfortable, guys, and this whole heel insert is nice and padded. Feels super nice and sturdy on your shoe. Keeps your ankle nice and tight. Perfect for those squats, those workouts that we're going for. Moving on to the top of the shoe. So the tongue is a little bit lighter and slimmer than the Metcon 5s, I would say. Just a lot more low profile. It is padded and just like really condensed down. It is that same meshy material all along the tongue there. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much the entire shoe. Simple shoelaces here, nothing fancy about those whatsoever. All in all, this is like very slim looking shoe, but it's still rugged and firm enough to keep you planted for all those squats, those thrusters, wall balls, etc. You know, cleans, split jerks, whatever you're gonna be doing. You're gonna need a nice flat foot. You're gonna need nice locked secured ankles, and this shoe is going to do that job. Not only that, but it's going to keep you comfortable. The heel is nice and slim, so it's not going to be cutting the back of your heel, as I have found that a lot of shoes nowadays have done, such as the new Nanos. You won't find that problem with this nice smaller heel here, especially because it's reinforced, padded, and it's just overall, I don't really think anything can cut you from this. This shoe does come with lifting pads, so like the lifters, all you got to do is you stick the 8mm heel inserts into the bottom of the shoe. This comes out nice and easy. It was literally like, they know that people are going to be switching them in and out. You just lift it up, stick it in there, boom, good to go. And then you have a raised heel, perfect for those squats, those deadlifts, Olympic lifts, wall balls, thrusters, etc. Acts as a lifting shoe without the big clunky and heaviness of the big lifters. So these are perfect for like Metcons, honestly, even just for your regular heavy lifts. If you want to just get used to lifting in just flat normal shoes that are light and you can just go do other stuff that you need to do in the workout. I did use the orange pair that came with my Metcon 5s. Loved them, guys. They did pretty well. I haven't tried them out on this shoe, but I'm assuming that they're going to be the same. Honestly, between this and the Metcon 5, I didn't notice many differences besides the design. So the Metcon 5 is a little more slim and slender. This is still slim and slender, but just a tiny bit bigger, but not overly done. I still really like it. It's still nice and sleek, and you can just tell that it is a different shoe, but it's still super comfortable and performs just like the Metcon 5. So Metcon 5, Metcon 6, they are my current favorite training shoe, and I'm gonna try these out for the next couple days, see how they do. Not sure if I'm gonna keep it, but honestly, like, I'm loving the look of it just because I don't have any like white pair of training shoes for a reason. But the fact that this has a gum bottom, the kind of like dirty grayish bottom as well, also adds to that, like, okay, like they're not gonna get crazy dirty. The material seems like it's pretty handy. Like if you get any black scuffs or anything, you can just wipe it off, rub it off, wipe it off with a baby wipe, etc. So these should be white for a pretty long time. Not gonna lie, guys, it just seems like that type of shoe. It's not gonna like carry, you know, that dirt and grime onto them, and they just look cool with certain outfits, guys. So this was a must for me just to pick up, review, and just try out. That's gonna go ahead and do it for the review portion of this video. The Nike Mecon 6, really impressed, really liking this look of it, really liking the performance of it, and just how comfortable it is. It just knocked it out of the park. One of the most comfortable shoes, and currently one of my favorite training shoes so far. Absolutely love them, guys. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review. If you guys want to swoop them up, go over to Rogue, go over to Nike, wherever you guys may want. Go over to Amazon, snag a pair, try them out for yourself. I guarantee you, if you're not a Nike Mecon person, once you try these or the Nike Mecon 5s, you're gonna be like, wow, these are next level. If you guys are new here, my name's Rodrigo. I make functional fitness content, nutrition content, lifestyle content. You guys don't want to miss it, guys. At least 2 new videos every week, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. All right, guys, time to lift. You guys know the drill. We got the pre going down. Stem-free peach ring, 5 grams creatine, pre-workout, BCAAs, intra-workout. Let's go. You know the deal. All right, guys, so the perfect intra-workout drink is going to be these BCAAs. I'm going to show you how to make the drink. 1 shaker full of ice. Fill up your shaker with water. Throw your BCAAs in it. Shake it and enjoy. Ah, much better. Starting off with a little bit of wide grip bench press tempo today. So I'm gonna keep the loads a lot lower because it's like a lot of reps for a lot of tempo. If you're looking over my workout, it's not gonna be a really good one to like showcase the shoes in terms of like the performance side. But I mean, at least you'll get a look at the shoe, what they look like with this outfit. So honestly though, like from the feel of them, they're gonna perform well. Like I don't see them like being horrible shoes, but as time goes on, if I decide to keep them after this video, I'll keep you guys informed. But so far they're so good. Still gonna run you guys through the workout, but mainly more just like showcasing the shoe.
right, guys, workout complete. Nice little Metcon there, guys. Hopefully you guys saw the shoes. Hopefully you guys liked them, how they look on foot. I personally fell in love with them as I went out through the workout. Felt amazing. Honestly, there was a few movements in there where I could like feel the shoe, you know, if it was gonna be uncomfortable for other things, such as the quadrupled crawls. Those are a great ab exercise, but not only that, but like you need like good foot placement, etc. On the kettlebell cleans, what more do you need? Heavy kettlebell cleans with a push press. Your shoes ain't good, like you're gonna screw those up. You're just gonna have a miserable time. These did awesome. So far, so good, guys. Again, that was just the review and just a quick workout with the shoes on so you guys can see what they're like. But so far, performance-wise, love them. Honestly, like, I'm expecting great things from them, and so far, they've proved that. If you guys want to continue to see how they perform and like a review down the road, like a month or two later, hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button, guys, because I post at least 2 new videos every week. You guys don't want to miss it, guys. That's going to go ahead and do it for today's video. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out to speed.